On June 28, 1914, in the city of Sarajevo, a single act of violence set the world on a path to unprecedented destruction. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, by a Serbian nationalist was the spark that ignited the tinderbox of European politics. A complex and rigid web of alliances, forged over decades, began to pull nations one by one into the abyss. The Triple Entente, comprising France, Britain, and Russia, stood against the central powers of Germany and Austria-Hungary. What began as a regional crisis soon spiraled into a global conflict, a great war, that would redefine the very nature of combat and reshape the world map. On the Western Front, the initial war of movement quickly ground to a bloody stalemate. From the North Sea to the Swiss border, armies dug in, creating a vast network of trenches that would symbolize the futility and horror of the war. Life in these squalid, rat-infested ditches was a grim cycle of terror and boredom. In 1916, this brutal reality reached its zenith in two of history's most devastating battles. At Verdun, French and German forces bled each other white over a few square miles of scorched earth. Simultaneously, the Battle of the Somme saw the British Army suffer catastrophic losses for minimal territorial gain, with the first day alone marking the darkest day in its history. The human cost was staggering, as millions were sacrificed in a relentless war of attrition. While the West was defined by static trench lines, the Eastern Front was a different kind of war. Spanning a much larger geographical area, the conflict here was more fluid and dynamic. The massive armies of the Russian Empire clashed with German and Austro-Hungarian forces in sweeping campaigns across vast territories. Battles were characterized by maneuver and large-scale encirclements, resulting in immense casualties and the capture of hundreds of thousands of prisoners. However, Russia's underdeveloped industrial base and internal political turmoil hampered its war effort, leading to crippling supply shortages and eroding morale, setting the stage for the eventual collapse of the Tsarist regime. This new era of conflict was also a crucible for military innovation, giving rise to terrifying new technologies of war. The stalemate of the trenches prompted the development of the tank, an armored behemoth designed to cross no man's land and break enemy lines. Above the battlefields, fragile biplanes evolved from reconnaissance aircraft into deadly fighters and bombers, heralding the age of air combat. Perhaps most feared of all was the introduction of poison gas, a silent and indiscriminate killer that caused agonizing death and psychological trauma. The war also raged on the high seas, where German U-boats preyed on Allied shipping in an attempt to starve Britain into submission, and massive dreadnought fleets clashed in epic naval engagements, like the Battle of Jutland. By 1917, the war had reached a critical turning point. Russia, racked by revolution, withdrew from the conflict, but its exit was offset by a powerful new belligerent. Germany's policy of unrestricted submarine warfare, culminating in the sinking of American ships, drew the United States into the war on the side of the Allies. The arrival of fresh American troops provided a much-needed surge of manpower and morale. In 1918, a final series of German offensives failed to break the Allied lines. The subsequent 100 Days Offensive, a relentless Allied counterattack, shattered the German army. With its allies collapsing and its home front in turmoil, Germany had no choice but to seek an end to the fighting. At the 11th hour on the 11th day of the 11th month, 1918, the guns finally fell silent. As weary soldiers emerged from their trenches, an armistice was signed, bringing an end to the war that was supposed to end all wars, but leaving a legacy of loss and trauma that would haunt the world for generations to come. From the dawn of conflict to the digital age, the tools of war have constantly evolved, reshaping the very nature of battle. This is the story of how technology has transformed the battlefield, turning simple skirmishes into complex, global confrontations. The advent of the First World War marked a brutal departure from past conflicts. On the ground, the stalemate of trench warfare gave birth to a monstrous innovation, the tank. Early behemoths like the British Mark I crawled across no man's land, their steel hulls impervious to machine gun fire, forever changing the dynamics of ground assault. Above the mud and wire, a new theater of war was opening. Flimsy biplanes, initially used for reconnaissance, soon became armed predators. Pilots engaged in daring dogfights, dueling in the clouds with machine guns and sheer nerve, pioneering the art of aerial combat and heralding a new dimension of warfare. Just 2 decades later, The Second World War saw these fledgling technologies mature into formidable weapons of destruction. Tanks evolved from slow-moving novelties into fast, powerful instruments of blitzkrieg. The Soviet T-34 with its sloped armor and the versatile American M4 Sherman became icons of mechanized warfare, spearheading massive armored offensives that decided the fate of nations on the eastern and western fronts. In the skies, the romanticism of the biplane dogfight gave way to the deadly efficiency of monoplane fighters. The elegant British Spitfire and the formidable German Messerschmitt Bf 109 clashed in ferocious aerial battles, their speed and firepower making control of the air a decisive factor in the war's outcome. Today, we stand on the cusp of yet another revolution in military affairs. The modern battlefield is a network-centric space where information is as critical as firepower. Stealth bombers like the B-2 Spirit glide unseen through enemy airspace, capable of delivering precision strikes from thousands of miles away. The individual soldier is no longer isolated, but a connected node in a vast digital network. Equipped with advanced communication devices and real-time intelligence that provide unprecedented situational awareness. Looking down from above, unmanned aerial vehicles or drones offer a persistent, all-seeing eye over the landscape. They have transformed reconnaissance and targeted strikes, blurring the lines between soldier and machine and raising profound questions about the future of combat. From the churning mud of the Somme to the silent flight of a stealth drone, the evolution of warfare technology is a relentless march forward. Each innovation has not only changed how wars are fought, but has also redefined the concepts of power, strategy, and the human cost of conflict, forever altering the face of our world. The video opens with a dramatic, fast-paced montage of iconic World War II scenes. Grainy, black-and-white archival footage is intercut with cinematic recreations: artillery firing, soldiers charging through smoke, planes dogfighting in the sky, and tanks rolling across desolate landscapes. The music is epic, orchestral, and somber. From the snow-covered ruins of Eastern Europe to the volcanic sands of the Pacific Islands, World War II was a global conflict defined by pivotal battles that shaped the course of history. These engagements, fought with unprecedented ferocity and scale, became the turning points in a war that engulfed the world, forever altering the balance of power and leaving an indelible mark on human memory. This is the story of those monumental clashes, a testament to the courage and sacrifice that defined a generation. The war in Europe was a brutal theater of attrition, where entire nations were mobilized for total war. In the winter of 1942, the fate of the Eastern Front was sealed in the rubble of a city bearing Stalin's name. The Battle of Stalingrad became a symbol of resilience and horror, as Soviet defenders fought a desperate street-by-street battle against the German Sixth Army. Amidst the skeletal remains of buildings, soldiers battled for every room and every floor in a grinding urban war that decimated the invaders and marked the beginning of the end for the Third Reich's ambitions in the East. As the tide turned, the Western Allies prepared for the largest amphibious invasion in history. On June 6, 1944, D-Day, a massive armada crossed the English Channel to storm the fortified beaches of Normandy. Under a hail of machine gun fire and artillery, Allied troops landed on shores codenamed Omaha, Utah, Gold, Juno, and Sword. This monumental operation, executed at immense human cost, established a critical foothold in France, opening the long-awaited Second Front and paving the way for the liberation of Western Europe from Nazi tyranny. The final act of the European conflict unfolded in the heart of the Reich itself. In the spring of 1945, the Red Army encircled and assaulted Berlin, while a different kind of war raged across the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. The conflict ignited for the United States on December 7, 1941, with the devastating surprise attack on Pearl Harbor. Japanese carrier-based aircraft descended upon the unsuspecting naval base in Hawaii, crippling the U.S. Pacific Fleet and plunging America headfirst into the global maelstrom. The day of infamy galvanized a nation and set the stage for a long and bloody naval war. 6 months later, the strategic initiative in the Pacific was contested in a decisive clash of naval air power. The Battle of Midway, fought from June 4 to 7, 1942, was a stunning turning point. American intelligence, having broken Japanese naval codes, allowed the U.S. Navy to ambush the Imperial Japanese Navy's carrier strike force. The loss of 4 of its most vital aircraft carriers was a blow from which Japan's Navy would never fully recover, shifting the balance of power in the Pacific permanently in favor of the Allies. The brutal island-hopping campaign that followed was characterized by ferocious battles for small but strategic pieces of land. The Battle of Iwo Jima in early 1945 was one of the bloodiest in the Pacific War. The struggle was immortalized by the raising of the American flag on Mount Suribachi, a single powerful image that came to represent the immense sacrifice and unwavering resolve of the Allied forces on their arduous path to victory. These battles, from the frozen streets of Stalingrad to the black sands of Iwo Jima, were more than just military encounters. They were crucibles that forged the modern world. The echoes of these conflicts still resonate today, reminding us of the extraordinary scale of the struggle and the profound human cost of a war that reshaped continents, toppled empires, and ultimately determined the fate of freedom for generations to come. The legacy of these turning points is etched not only in history books, but in the very fabric of our world. In the annals of human history, few events loom as large or as devastating as the Second World War. It was a conflict that reshaped the global landscape, a crucible of ideology, ambition, and unimaginable suffering. What began as a spark in the heart of Europe would engulf the world in a firestorm, leaving an indelible mark on generations to come. This is the story of that global cataclysm, a chronicle of the key events that defined an era and determined the fate of nations. The world held its breath as the storm gathered, a storm that would unleash unprecedented destruction upon humanity. On September 1st, 1939, the fragile peace of Europe was shattered. The world watched in horror as the Wehrmacht's mechanized divisions, supported by the relentless Luftwaffe, sliced through Polish defenses. The invasion marked the beginning of a war that would draw in nations from every corner of the globe, setting the stage for a conflict of unparalleled scale. As the jackboots of the Third Reich marched across the continent, the lines of battle were drawn, and the world braced for the long, dark years ahead. The war had begun, and its shadow would stretch across the planet. As the conflict escalated, a series of pivotal moments defined its course. In the summer of 1940, the Battle of Britain saw the Royal Air Force valiantly defend their skies against the might of the Luftwaffe, a crucial victory that saved the island nation from invasion. Across the Atlantic, the day of infamy arrived on December 7, 1941, when Japan's surprise attack on Pearl Harbor propelled a hesitant United States into the fray. On the Eastern Front, the brutal winter of 1942 saw the tide turn at the Battle of Stalingrad, where the Soviet Red Army encircled and destroyed the German Sixth Army in one of the bloodiest battles in history. Then on June 6, 1944, came D-Day, the largest amphibious invasion ever attempted, as Allied forces stormed the beaches of Normandy, opening a long-awaited second front in Western Europe. Each event was a turning point, a brutal chapter in a sprawling global saga. The final days of the war were a maelstrom of destruction and retribution. As Allied forces closed in from the west and Soviet armies pushed from the east, the Nazi regime began to crumble. In the spring of 1945, the Red Army fought its way into the heart of the Third Reich, culminating in the bloody Battle of Berlin. Amid the ruins of his capital, Adolf Hitler took his own life and Germany surrendered unconditionally. Yet the war in the Pacific raged on. To force a conclusion and avoid a costly invasion of the Japanese mainland, the United States made a fateful decision. In August 1945, atomic bombs were dropped on the cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, unleashing a new and terrifying form of destruction. Japan surrendered shortly after, bringing the most destructive war in human history to its final somber end. From the smoldering ruins of Warsaw to the atomic shadow over Hiroshima, the Second World War left a legacy of profound loss and transformation. Cities lay in rubble, millions were displaced, and an entire generation bore the scars of conflict. The war's end gave rise to a new world order, the dawn of the nuclear age, and the founding of the United Nations with the hope of preventing such a catastrophe from ever happening again. As we look back upon this monumental struggle, we are compelled to remember the sacrifices made and the lessons learned. The echoes of this global conflict continue to resonate, reminding us of the fragility of peace and the enduring human cost of war. This solemn memory serves as a timeless warning, a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit in the face of utter devastation.